Did you know that over 70% of Windows users struggle with search functionality? What if I told you that you can fix it in minutes? For this, follow these steps. 1. Restart Windows Search Service. For this, press Windows plus R to open Run dialog box. There, type services.msc and click on OK button. There, find Windows Search in the list. Then right-click on it and select Restart. Wait for some time to complete these steps. Now go and check your search issue is resolved or not. If not resolved, then try second solution. Solution 2. Rebuild Search Index. For this, go to Search and type indexing options in the Start menu and then open it. Click on Advanced option. Next, click on Rebuild button. This might take some time, so be patient. After completing these steps, just restart your computer and check whether your problem is resolved or not. If this does not work, then try search solution that has run the search and indexing troubleshooter. For this, go to Search and type Settings and select it from the list. Next, click on Update and Security. Next, click on Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshooter. Here under Find and Fix Other Problems, click on Search and Indexing. Next, click on Run the Troubleshooter. Select your problem from the list. For now, I will select All and then click on Next. Describe your problem here. Click on Next button. You can see it is saying problem has been fixed. Now go and try your search issue. If not resolved, then move to next steps. Solution 4. Re-register app packages. For this, go to Search and type PowerShell and run PowerShell as administrator. If you get the pop-up, click on Yes. Now type the following command. This command you provided is primarily used to re-register app packages in Windows, which can help resolve issues with built-in Windows apps, such as the Start menu, Microsoft Store, and Cortana. After typing the command and pressing the Enter, you will get this interface. Let this process to complete. I will provide this command in description. If re-registering the apps is completed, then restart your computer and try search issue. This should resolve your issue related to search. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.